Hi, I'm Nan Montgomery, Warren County SNAP Education Assistant, and I'm so excited that we are going to be making a Hawaiian pizza today, and it's from our new 2019 Nutrition Education Calendar, and we're going to go over that here in a minute. But let's get started. So first you need a 10-inch pre-baked pie crust, or not pie crust, but pizza crust. And so after it is baked, then you can start to add your ingredients. So we are going to use 3/4 a cup of barbecue sauce. And so the good thing about using your own barbecue sauce is that you can control exactly how much goes onto this pizza. When you go and you get it from, maybe like you order delivery or carry out from one of your local pizza chains, you can't exactly control what ingredients and how much that they're putting on there. And so this is gonna make this pizza, it's the new year, it's gonna make it a healthier option for you and your family. After you have put the barbecue sauce onto your pizza, then you are going to take a little bit of your mozzarella cheese. This calls for 3/4 a cup. You don't want to use the whole 3/4 of a cup at first. You just want to sprinkle just a little bit just to get a little coating on there, and you're going to reserve this for after you've put all your toppings on. After you have added your cheese, then we are going to take 1/2 a cup of pineapple tidbits, and you want to make sure that those are drained thoroughly before you put them on your pizza, because if not, then you'll get a soggy pizza. Pineapples have a lot of vitamins in them, and so this is just going to be a great way for you to get that extra fruit in your diet, because unfortunately a lot of people in Kentucky are not getting as many fruits and vegetables as they need. Next, you're going to take 1/2 a cup of chicken, and you're going to sprinkle it all over your pizza. And this is going to taste so good. I love chicken. Some people on their Hawaiian pizza might use ham, and you can use ham as well, but chicken's going to be a little bit better source of protein for you. It's going to be more lean, so this will be a good option. I have used canned chicken for this recipe, but you could use a rotisserie chicken, or you could cook your own chicken and bake it and then put it on there. The next thing that we are going to put onto our pizza, this is going to be 1/2 of chopped red onion. And if you like red onions like me, feel free to use more. And another spin that you can put on this pizza to make it a healthier option is to add 1/2 a cup of spinach and to add some mushrooms. Going to get you some more vegetables in your diet. I didn't use that today, but at home it's really important for your family to eat enough vegetables, and so that's a way to change this recipe up and for you to ample vegetables into your diet. And then we are going to use the remaining mozzarella cheese to top this off. After you have put all of your mozzarella cheese on your pizza, you are going to make sure that your oven is already preheated to 425 degrees. And then you're going to want to cook this for another 7 to 10 minutes. It really just depends on how your family likes it. And then after it is cooked for that 7 to 10 minutes, then you get this beautiful Hawaiian pizza, and it's just so delicious. I can't wait to eat this for my family. And so I was telling you about, this is a feature recipe for our 2019 Nutrition Education Calendar, and we have that at the Warren County Extension Office for you to pick up. And if you don't live in Warren County, don't worry, you can go to your local Extension Office in whatever county you live in, and they'll be available for you to pick up. But it's not just a nutrition calendar. It has so many other great things. So maybe you are in the kitchen and you need a substitution list because you've lost your measuring cups. This will be really great for you because you can know that 3 teaspoons make a tablespoon, so you can still bake that pie that you're wanting to make because you'll have the right measurements. Or in Kentucky, it has the produce availability chart. So maybe you're not familiar what crops are growing in Kentucky. This is going to be a great way for you to find that produce and be able to shop at the farmers markets or the grocery store. This is also going to help you save on your grocery bill, because when you buy produce in season, you're going to be able to save money. Not only that, but then of course it has a feature recipe for every month. And for instance, January's is a kale salad. And you might be thinking, this salad sounds really great, but I need more than a salad to feed my family. Well, it'll have a tip on how you can make this a meal. So you can fix the kale salad, pair it with fish, and add a roll, and your family has a complete meal for dinner. This is going to be really great because unfortunately, with the hustle and bustle of going to work and school and taking care of children and just our everyday lives, we're tending to go towards fast food and we're not having as much meal time within the family. And so this calendar can be a great way, maybe at least once a week or once a month, I can make one of these meals and I can sit down and I can interact to see how my kid's day was or how my spouse's day was. And this will be able to bring mealtime back into our lives a little bit more. That could be a cool way for you to do that. It also has a gardening tip for you. So maybe you're a big gardener and you would like extra tips. This is going to be a really great way for you to learn about some gardening. So for instance, maybe you live in an apartment and you would love to grow a garden and you're thinking, there's no way that I could ever grow a garden because I don't have enough space or I don't have any land. Well, this has a really good tip. You can take a milk jug and cut it in half and poke holes in it, and then maybe you can grow an herb or something. And so it'll give you little tips so that you can garden. It also has great features about physical activity. So not only do we need to eat healthy, but we also need to be physically active. And so this is going to have physical activity tips that you can do. And it's not hard. It doesn't mean that you have to go to a gym and exercise. These are all things that you can do at your house. These are also activities that your kids can do. So it's really important to eat healthy, but also to stay physically active in the new year. And so I really encourage you to go by your local extension office and encourage you to pick up our 2019 nutrition education calendar. And these are free and they're going to be a wonderful resource for your family in the new year. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at the Warren County Extension Office. Our phone number is 270-842-1681.